Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host, Grace Mutiagawa. This afternoon we're going to learn about how to perform citation, how to add citation and references into Microsoft Word. I'll open my document, my report. For example, I have a report here titled Child Abuse in Uganda. And in my third paragraph, I intend to add citation just right after the word survey. So I'll put my cursor there and click. So when you look at the upper taskbars, is this part which says references. So when I go to references and click there, it will bring insert citation. So of course, when I click on insert citation, it will bring another bar where I'll go to my library. Okay, and then it brings me right down here. So right here I have this article or a case study which has child abuse in central Uganda, a case of selected slums in Kampala. So I'll right away click on this and then cite. You can clearly see it brings Elizabeth ND as it has cited. On top of that, if I intend to it has automatically gone down this side and also inserted a bibliography. However, if I intend to add a bibliography just down here, I'll come on to insert bibliography, and this is how it's going to insert the reference of my research. Thank you so much for watching and listening to me. Please subscribe for more interesting